In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim the Earned Income Credit or Child Tax Credit again by completing Form 8862 in your tax return. If your return requires Form 8862, don't worry. This usually happens when you're reclaiming certain tax credits after they were previously reduced or denied, and the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. Start by going to the Deductions and Credits section of your tax return. This is where tax benefits, adjustments, and common credits are usually organized. Take your time here because selecting the correct section is important for making sure the form is triggered properly in the system. Once you're in Deductions and Credits, look for the tax credit that applies to your situation. You'll want to claim the affected credit, such as the Earned Income Credit, often called EITC, or the Child Tax Credit, if that's the one connected to your return. Choose the credit carefully and continue through that part of the interview just as prompted. This step is what tells the software which credit you are trying to claim again. After that, you'll be guided to the Form 8862 eligibility questions. These questions are used to determine whether you qualify to attach Form 8862 to your return. Read each question slowly and answer as accurately as possible. The wording matters, so it's a good idea not to rush. If the software determines that Form 8862 is needed, it will attach the form to your return based on your responses. As you go through this section, make sure your answers match your actual tax situation. Inaccurate answers can delay processing or affect whether the credit is allowed. If you're unsure about a question, pause and review the details shown on the screen before moving on. Once you finish the eligibility questions, the return should include Form 8862 if required. At that point, you can continue with the rest of your tax filing process. The key thing to remember is that this process begins in Deductions and Credits, then moves to claiming the affected credit, and finally to answering the Form 8862 eligibility questions carefully so the form can be attached correctly. That's all it takes. Follow the prompts closely, review your answers before filing, and you should be in good shape to submit your return with the required form included.